Ek Mukhi Rudraksha, one-faced. People say if you wear Ek Mukhi Rudraksha, you will leave your family within 12 days. It is just that it will make your energies in such a way that you will want to be alone. One Mukhi Rudraksha is very rare, and Shastra says this is a highly auspicious one. The ruling deity is Shiva, and the ruling planet is Sun. The wearer of a one Mukhi Rudraksha is not only blessed by Shiva, but also by Mahalakshmi. This Rudraksha enhances the power of the mind-line concentration and confidence. Those who wish to escape bad habits and addiction can depend on this bead. This Rudraksha can cure diseases related to the digestive, respiratory and urinary system, addition to diseases of the glands and brain. This Rudraksha helps remove the malefic effects of sun in horoscope. Ek Mukhi Rudraksha benefits: cleanses the aura, shields against negative energies, bring peace and pleasure, brings a certain calmness and alertness in your nervous system. Wearer can get rid of diseases like bladder diseases, memory loss, respiratory and heart diseases, liver and breast problems. According to Purnas, wearing energized Ek Mukhi Rudraksha helps foreseeing the Partattva. It eradicates the fear of death. It influences pituitary gland, pineal gland and hypothalamus organs. It is believed that Ek Mukhi Rudraksha rids one from sins, even the serious ones. It also helps the wearer take control over senses and attain moksha.